friends, happy Friday. It's Stephanie with Savvy Girl Saves. I hope that you have a great day today. And I say that because it is hella early. See, I'm still drinking my greens. Drinking my greens first thing in the morning. That's how early I'm filming this. So you'll find links to all the things in the description box down below, as well as a link to hop on my email list, which seems to be pretty popular. You guys are liking it. I share tips and tricks about life and recipes and meal plans and freebies and things I like on Amazon and just things in general. So if you want to get on that mailing list, the link is down below. And what is the first? Oh, first order of business today, before we do this, is these nails, yo. These nails need to get done. This got done last week. And it is a drugstore Sally Henson with a glittery top coat over it, but it's about time to go. We haven't had a nail vote in a few weeks. I like to switch up my nail process. I'll also have links to this in the description. Excuse me, in the description box below. Let me get some sippy here. Okay. I'm gonna put that on my other desk because we don't need a mess. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna vote. This is option number 1, some blue waves. Option number 2 is this, isn't this cool? It's like white and then it's got the rainbow stuff on it. Because I feel like that might be good for 4th of July. Option number 3 is this glittery overlay kind of thing, and it's got red, white, and blue and yellow glitter. So those are your options. Vote down in the comments, peeps. 1, 2, or 3, because I need to be getting these done. I need to do these nails. All right, let's get started, friends. Freebie Friday, and I also have some freebies to share at the end of the video, some new ones I found. And as always, if you would like some of the freebie challenges, I send out a couple of envelopes every week of free challenges because I just have so many that I will never get to them all, and I want to share the love. So I will send you a card if you're comfortable with giving me your name and address. You can send me an email at savvygirlsaves@gmail.com, or you can find me on Etsy, and we can, and I'll send you a card worth of some freebies and tinies because I like to share the love. If you don't have a printer or you don't have a color printer or whatever, but just let me know because I want to share. All right, let's get down to business. I don't even know, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, $55 for today. It is the last Freebie Friday of June. Like, where is this month, year, life going? Holy crap. What is happening? Like, oh my God, it's just insane. All right, so today I have a 6-sided die and I have a 3-sided die. I'm gonna roll them both. The 6-sided die is gonna tell me which challenge gets how many bills from the 3-sided die. Let me just make sure, yes, that we are all in frame here so you can see what is going on. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3. I did this last week for the first time and it was really fun. Something different. I like to change it up. Oh, 5 better not be a money hog. I like to change it up and just keep it fresh. 1-sided die, 4-sided die, 5-sided die. Like, I like to change it up. What is going on? Here we go. Some people like to stick to the same routine because they like the consistency, but some like to change it up. I'm a little of both, I guess. I like to change it up. Or they do a specific thing a specific way. Oh my God, this is absurd. Let me get another 5-sided die because I wish I had that timeout chair. I think it's who has a timeout chair? Somebody I watch has a timeout chair and they put their little dice in the timeout chair. All right, let's try with this one. 2 and 2. Come on, number 3. You know some of this is going to end up in here, right? Oh, nope, that's a 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go. We got a number 3 and a number 2 and a number 3, and we have 3 left, and they're going to go number 2. Perfect. So everybody got some love. Let's get that out of the way, and we're going to use this again because this really worked out. All right, 4, 3, So are we all looking forward to like a short week next week? Oh my God. I'm already thinking about it. And it's not even, it's not even here yet. Let's see what we got. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Holy moly. This is the June Savings Challenge from Planner Papery. And I made each one $1. So we got 2 here. Oh, see that? My fingers aren't going to be working today. Ding, ding, ding. I'm going to ring it quiet because my family is still sleeping. Ring a ding, ding, dingy do. All right, so we got 10, 11, 12. Oh, I didn't get any paper clips. That's foolish. The last Friday of a month and I don't have any paper clips. Come on, Stephanie. Is this going to like set the tone for the whole day? Oh my God. I hope not. All right, so this one got $12 and it is going towards the kitties. Oh, that's exciting. Because I had to get Murray's meds. My ginger, I have a ginger cat, 2 ginger cats, a boy and a girl. And the boy is on anxiety meds and I just had to get his meds this week. It's like $30. All right, let's put the wood finishers over here, which I normally don't do. I put them here so I don't forget about them. And I have a bunch of challenges here. Oh, you know what? Let's see how the other ones do. So let's put this back because I might use that to finish other ones. So we can clear this binder out for June and clear this binder out for June and get it ready for July. So let's see what this one got a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is Savings with Tracy and it only needed 7 to finish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What? I love this. I don't do mornings. Can you tell I don't either? This one's going into healthcare. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the extra 3 we'll put here. So let's see, we should have 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I love when things work out, especially when it's early in the morning and, you know, you don't really want to use your brain very much. Okay, I don't like that. Nope. I'm not going to ring the bell. Ring it a ding, ding, dingy do. I don't want to wake anybody up. My husband works nights, so he's sleeping right now. All right, let's see what we got in this one. This is challenge number 3. Oh, these dashboards are free on my Ko-fi if you want them. Oh, this is mine, Savvy Girl Saves. This is going to the utility buffer, and this got 5, 6, 7. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You shut up right to the end. No extra. Ring a ding, ding, dingy do. All right. So let's see what we got. We should have 16. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, you shut the door. I'm finishing them all and I'm not even taking any of that extra. Oh my God, that's so exciting. 3. All right, number 4. Oh, this is the cherries. This is the cherries. Let me get, this is the June group play. Oh, you know we're going to finish this one. Where's the money? Oh, here it is, right here. Let me get my red and my green so I can color these right. Let's see what it got. This is from Penny Pincher Budgets. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6. Oh my God, we finished another one. Ring a ding ding dingy do. Oh yes. I love when this happens. I love when you can make it work and you can finish things out. And I like them to roll over to the next month, but it just doesn't seem to be the way it works for me. It seems like the end of the month, like we clean it out and then we start July with, we start the next month with like brand new challenges, which is pretty cool because then I can theme them for July. But the downside is there's none that are going to finish partially through July, but that's all right because we don't clear it out till the end of the month anyway. Okay. Oh my God, I love this one. Should we paint through the green too? Isn't that so cute? Sometimes I love to color. I did Norella's, I'm doing Norella's Budgets, Saving for My Dreams, and I did it last night, and I didn't film it. I sat on the couch and I watched, what am I watching? Sweet Magnolias on Netflix. I just love that show. Last season was a little iffy, but this season is really good. 1 and 2 was good. 3 was a little boring, disappointing kind of. But 4 I think this is 4. Yeah, 4 is really good, and I think they just signed for a number 5. But I love that show. All right, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Sweet. And this is going towards my husband's sinking fund. Ring a ding ding dingy do. Awesome. All right. Are you watching anything? Tell me in the comments down below what you're watching, because I have stuff that I watch during the day. I don't watch during the day, but I listen to, like I put it on while I'm working just so I can have some noise. This is from the Faithful Dash, and this is going to me. I don't know if it's going to finish. Let's see. Oh, yeah. We got 2 5s in here. All right, so we got 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 bucks. You go, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so 9 of this. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to put back here. And we're going to go over here. And we're going to do this. And this one has 4 times 5 is 20. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Awesome. What was I saying? Oh, yeah, I don't really watch anything, but I listen. I like to listen during the day while I'm working. Like I'm listening right now to Everybody Loves Raymond. Oh my God, that show is absolutely hysterical. Hysterical. Oh, we just started this one last week. This one only got $2. Let's get my yellow. I already got my green. So we got 1 and 2. So give me your suggestions. And so anyway, I have a set that I watch, you know, nighttime when it's my wind down time and I want to watch TV. And then I have what I listen to while I'm working. If it's not YouTube, it's just something. All right, this one is going towards car maintenance, and it's not finished. How much is in here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 4, 8, 12, 13. That leaves us $1. Let's finish it, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh my God, we did it. We finished all the challenges in this binder. This is from CBA Mom Saves. It came with like a set of 3 or 4, and it was so adorable. They're all fruity, and they kind of have these puns like "you're the peanut to my colada." So go check her out. I'm gonna speed you guys up through this. Okay, this one's done. Going to car maintenance. How pretty is that? See, that's why I had to color it, because it's very pretty. All right, let's see. I'm going to put this on here. These are going to go in the ding, ding, ding. I know. Bring the ding, ding, dingy do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my God, that's just awesome. And I have some challenges in here, but we'll set that up off camera. All right, so let's put the challenges in here. Get my ding, ding, ding out. Oh, I'm really excited for this month. The end of this month. But we have to do mini Mondays first, because that's the 30th, and so that counts. All right, so let's see. What do I got in here? I got any 5s? This is my ding, ding, ding money. Yeah, 5, 6. Perfect. I threw some 10s, a couple of 10s and a couple of 5s in there to condense, but I finished 6, so we're going to use the 5. I don't know how much is in here. I don't count it, I just stuff it. I do condense it, but I don't count it. The daily truck. There it goes. This is from Savings with Tracy. I did order 2 small. She started selling these in a bag form, so I ordered two small ones. I'm really excited about that. One for me and one for a giveaway, because I'm literally 5 millimeters from 500 subscribers. I think I have like 496, 497. It's crazy. It's crazy how fast this channel has grown. So when I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to do a giveaway with that pouch. I ordered it, so when it gets here, and I'm going to stuff it with a bunch of scratch offs and challenges and, you know, just good things to say thank you. Now to almost everyone's favorite part. I'm just going to put this back in the Oh my God, another truck. He's going down the hill. He's downshifting. Anyway. Let's get to the freebies for this week. So I know this is Christmas, but Christmas in July is starting like Tuesday or whenever everybody starts, like next week. So this is from Cash Stuff & Co. Save 20, save 50, and this one you can do on your own. All right, here is another one from Owl Always Save. Holy moly. Frosty's Nose, Oh Christmas Tree, and Santa's Hat. These are adorable. And these, again, if you would like some freebies, send me an email or find me on Etsy and let me know. And I will, because I'm going to cut these, but I'm not keeping them all. So I'll send them out. This is another one from Owl Always Save. This is a Roll and Save Tinies. Definitely going to put this in my Tiny Tuesday binder. I did find from Windmill Susan at Windmill Ridge Budgets, black and white, which is really cool. So here that is 6565. Yeah, this is a cute little challenge. This one is from Sarah Saves 07. I think that's it for Christmas one. Sarah Saves 07 Happy Birthday Challenges. Look at, oh, these are little balloons, balloon animals. I didn't notice that when I printed it out until now. And then this is another one from her, Sarah Saves 07. And it's a color and save. These are not, there's no dollar denomination, so you can set them, or you can do $1 a piece or quarter piece or whatever you want to do. Color them as you go. That's really cool. Even if you have a black and white printer and this prints in black, it would still be pretty. This is from Cash Stuff & Co. I just found these. She is way past 75 subscribers, but you can go get this free on her Ko-fi. Some cute little kitties in the box. Yeah, definitely going to put that in my Tiny, because you know I love me some kitties. It's going to go in my Mini Mondays. And this is also from her, Cash Stuff & Co. How cute are these little sticky notes? Adorable. I don't know what this adds up to. It's not written, but that's okay. This is from Build It Big Budgets. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Summer vibes and more lemons. I tried to find some more with lemons, because I know that, like, here's another one. See, from the Secret Budgeter. A lot of people are doing like lemon themed binders for the summertime. The Secret Budgeter put out a freebie every single day on her birthday month, which I want to say was April, but don't quote me on that. So if you go to her channel, she's got a Google Drive with all, like, tons of freebies in there, and they're just adorable. This is from Toria's Budgets, July, August, September. Isn't that cute? Definitely going to put this in the Freebie Friday, because July is here. This one is from Budgeting with Kim, Sweet Treats and Summer Heat. Boy, she got that right. Too cool for this. I stand. Too cool for this heat. And Sweet Treats, Summer Heat. I hate the heat. Did I say that already? Have I said that already? I hate the heat. Hate it. Me in the summer, we are not friends. Lilo and Stitch. This is also from the Secret Budgeter. This was in one of her freebies. And I don't know, I just thought this was cute because, like, the movie's out and everybody's wigging out about it. A lot of the budgeters have littler kids, so they might like this. Here's another one from the Secret Budgeter. I'm telling you, her things are cute, and there's some adorable freebies. This is probably going to go in my Roll and Save binder. We got Oreos, Coca-Cola, and Fanta. Adorable. Oh, and this one. I'm super excited for this one. This is also the Secret Budgeter. And I'm going to put this in my Roll and Save binder. Like, how cute is that? You roll and it says, let's pick up some road trip snacks, roll the dice and save. Like, each icon you get to has a little bit of a different message. So anyway, there's the freebies. If you would like some, send me an email or reach out to me in my Etsy, and I will send them out to you. Like, share the love. Anyway, thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. I really appreciate it more than words can say. I think that's all. It's Friday. Go crush it, people. See you later. Stay savvy. Bye.